Folks, we have here the unboxing of the EvRider Vita Monster Scooter. So when you get your Vita Monster Scooter, it's going to come in a big box like this, on a pallet like this. So it's going to be pretty big. Okay, so all you need probably so far is a box cutter knife. Watch your fingers. Cut the plastic off the top. Remove the plastic, if there is plastic. Next thing you probably want to do is cut the straps. Remove the top cone from the top. And we're going to put that over here. So now we're going to open the box. Now this box, when you open it up, be careful. They're staples. You can see right here. These, someone's going to get hurt with these. So be careful when you open this box. It's got these copper staples. I just ripped them off here as I open the box. There's a few more. There's a few more around the outside here. So be careful on the staples, okay? So if you have a good box cutter, what you can do is cut these out of the way like this. So this is a sharp box cutter, so you can see a new blade really works good. So just be really careful with your hands on unboxing. So now the staples are going to be out of my way. I won't have to worry about cutting myself also. So this is the last piece right here. So as you can see inside the box, we have some foam here to remove. This is your tiller here. It's well covered. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the seat out. So you can see the seat is upside down in here. It's actually pretty heavy. Okay, maybe. All right, so this box right, as you can see, this box comes off. Okay, so all right, we're starting to look at something here. So I pulled the box was sitting inside of a box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this here so you can see what we have here. So you're definitely going to need some help with this baby. This is a big scooter. I'm going to pull this cardboard out, and I'm going to try to pull that plastic out without scratching anything. So there's a little bit of tape here. Just be careful when you cut the tape, you don't scratch your scooter, okay? We're getting there, folks. Whew, good looking scooter. So now we've got the tiller. This is called the tiller right here. And I'm going to see if I can bring this up. There's a handle under here. Right here, you can see the handle. Push the handle down right here, and the tiller is up. All right, now, so we're back to our seat. So definitely you want to open the box up, put the tiller up before you take the seat, because what happens, the seat is sitting inside of here, so it's kind of hard to pull out. So as you can see now, the seat will probably come out much easier. So I have the seat on the ground. Pull this off. We're going to pull this off. So now when you unbox your scooter, the keys for your scooter are on the steering wheel right here, okay? So I'm going to cut them off, and I'm going to put them in the scooter. They go right here. And I'm going to turn the power on, and the power does come on, so that means our batteries are connected. Okay, you can see it does want to move forward. So your batteries, so this scooter, the batteries are connected. All right, so now we have power in the scooter. If you don't have power in the scooter when you get it, there's 3 screws here. You would have to pull this cover with these 3 screws right here. You see 1, 2, 3, and of course you have these 3 screws. You'd have to pull that cover off and go connect the batteries. But apparently these scooters, when they're shipped, the batteries are already connected. So the only thing left to do now, I'm going to cut this little tie down here. So we're going to remove the foam from the seat pole. Your seat sits right on there. We're going to remove this from here. And now we're going to grab the seat. Now the seat is unfolded, it's folded, and so I'm going to fold it up a little bit. There we go. I'm going to pull the plastic off the arm. Now be careful when you drop your seat on here. It is a heavy. You don't scratch your scooter. That might be the hardest part right there, trying to find. There we go. So now your seat is on there, and we can pull the seat back. You have a nice red safety belt right there, and under here I found probably the charger. So the charger's here. No, these are your mirrors. So okay. So your 2 mirrors are under there. We're not going to put them on. When you put your mirrors, they go right on these screws on these sides, right there where my finger is. That's where your mirrors go. I'm going to put these on the seat. I'm going to see what else is under here. So under here we also have the headrest right here. So we'll put that headrest on here. There's a little tab here when you push down in front right here. So the headrest goes down. Then you have this bar back here. And you have, it's all under the seat. Now the charger's a little damaged, but I'm sure the charger's fine. It's just a box. So the charger's here, as you can see. The charger's fine. There's your charger. We have the mirror, the charger, owner's manual. So all that was under the scooter. So do not ride off with your scooter before you take everything that's under here off. And this is your crossbar that goes over here like this. Okay? And that just sits in there like that. Let me pull this off so you can see it better. I don't see any clips. Oh yeah, so there is a screw right here under here and under here. So you would put these screws from the bottom on both sides, okay? So you will take these screws out, and once you have it in the hole like this, you will bring the screws in from both sides under here. I'm going to leave them off now because for time purpose, but that's how that goes. And you have your big wheels here, your big and you have your fenders. Look at the size of those wheels. So the only thing you'd have to do is pull the plastic off the wheel when you get it. I'm sure there's an easier way. I like to rip stuff, but probably an easier way that I'm doing it. And then you would have some protection here to take off, okay? So folks, here we have, now at this point, the scooter's big enough, you can just turn the key and let it ride off the pallet slowly, okay? As a matter of fact, I will do it here just to show you it's not that big of a deal. So You could just go forward with it, let it come off the pallet slowly. So I'm gonna bring it over here. So there is your Vita Monster mirror, charger, headrest, back support bar, Unbox. Now you have to get rid of all your boxes in your pallet, and here's your scooter Unbox, folks. This, you should have a lot of fun with this scooter. Just look at this thing. This is a beast. Enjoy it, and let us know how you enjoy your scooter. Thank you very much. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.